If you have contacts in an Excel worksheet, you can move them to your Outlook contacts. Open the spreadsheet with contacts. First, you need to make sure the worksheet has column headings. First name, last name, email address, etc. so that it is easy to map to Outlook contact field names. Outlook only allows to import data from a file if it is comma delimited .csv file or an outlook.pst file. Convert the Excel worksheet to .csv file. Click on File. Click on Save As. You can leave the file name same but select the Save As type as CSV, comma delimited. Click on Save. Excel displays message, the selected file type does not support workbooks that contain multiple sheets. Click OK to save only the active sheet which has your contacts. Excel displays above possible data loss. It's okay because it's plain text data and no Excel formulas, so no data loss will be there. Close the file. Now in Outlook, click on File. Click on Open and Export. Click on Import Export. Outlook displays Import and Export wizard. Default selection is import from another program or file. Click on Next. Select the file type as comma separated values because the file you have is a .csv file. Click on Next. Now browse to find the file and click OK. Outlook gives three options for any duplicate contacts. Replace duplicates with items imported, allow duplicates to be created, or do not import duplicates. Leave the selection as allow duplicates to be created. Click on Next. Outlook prompts where you want to import the contacts. You can add to the contacts or you can create a new contact folder and import there too. Click on Contacts. Click on Next. Now you need to map your Excel column heading names to correct Outlook field names. Click on Map Custom Fields. Click on Clear Map to clear Outlook suggested mapping. Map your Excel column heading names to appropriate Outlook field names by dragging and dropping. First name matches to first name under Name in Outlook. Drag the first name and match with first name in the Outlook names. Do the same thing for last name too. For email address, scroll down to email and map to email address. For personal email address, map to email to address in Outlook. For business phone number, scroll up and map to business phone in Outlook. For personal phone number, you can map either to home phone or mobile phone, whichever is correct based on your data. After all mapping is done, click OK. Click on Finish, and Outlook imports the contacts from your Excel file to Outlook contacts. Check the contacts and you can see the new contacts imported from Excel file. Click on People. You can see the Linda Ford and Jeff Mulford are added as new contacts. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.